Hi everyone, myself Madhurya from Business Analytics course. Today I'm going to show you the various lecture theatres and halls that are in the Lanyon building. First is this Vitla Hall, just the biggest hall where the graduation ceremony happens every year. This is a very big hall and like an auditorium. We have a lot of space on the ground floor and also there are a lot of seats in the first floor for viewing. I'm sure everyone would definitely visit this hall during your graduation. Just beside the Bitla Hall is the South Dining Hall. This is the place where the career fairs, a lot of events and stalls being kept during fairs and things. This is a very small, nice, spacious, bright hall. Just beside the South Hall is the Lamb Lecture Theatre. This is a very big theatre with a lot of seating capacities and it's modernly built with all the projectors and her great seating capacity. Isn't it an amazing view? In the Lanyon North, we have the Canada Hall. It is a very prominent, prestigious and a very beautiful hall with beautiful carpets. I really enjoyed this place. It's very beautiful. Just beside the Canada Hall is the Hamilton Room. Small room than Canada Room, but it is significant because it's just above the black and white hall in the Lanyon near the Galileo statue. This is very prominent as it is having a gallery of more prestigious silver items that are displayed here, and it's also way to the Vice Chancellor's office. This is how you get out from the Canada Hall. Near the Maths and Physics building, we have this lecture theatre. It's a very hidden gem because it's like a puzzle you need to go in. Amelius, but it's a small, modern seated capacity theatre. A lot of open day events, student ambassador events do happen here. It is having a good seating capacity and also all the modern facilities like the projectors. There is also a lot of lecture theatres like how you see here. These were earlier used for classes, but now it has been distributed across the schools. We also have the Henry Room just beside the Great Hall. This is basically for dining and meetings, for like a dinner meetings, those things this room is used. Next is the Peter Fox Center. This is also a very big seating capacity hall. I remember we had a lot of inductions happen here. Definitely a must visit place while you're here. I hope you all had a glimpse of the different lecture theatres and halls in the Lanyon. Thank you so much for watching.